Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
There are a few different steps necessary when adding or embedding video into your web page. In addition to the video element, you will need to supply a source element. The source element, in conjunction with the source attribute, tells your web page what video file to display. You must also tell your browser the type of file you are linking to with the type attribute. There are currently three major video file types supported. They are MP4, WebM, and OGG. The MP4 format is the most widely supported format with the major browsers like Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. It may be a good idea to add multiple file types to your HTML coding to ensure compatibility across many browser platforms. You will be able to tell what type of file you are working with by checking either the extension at the end of your file or looking at your file properties. You can use multiple source elements within your video start and end tags to link different video files and types. The browser your user is implementing will use the first recognized format of your video file. It is important to include the height and width attributes in the start tag of your video tag. When you include these attributes, the space for the video is reserved when your page is loading. If you don't include the height and width of your video, your page layout will change while the video is loading. The controls attribute is used to add controls like play, pause, and volume to your video. There is no value attached to this attribute as it will just add basic controls to your video file. To increase the likelihood of your video playing in your user's browser, you can combine the video element with the embed element. The embed element creates a container for any video file you choose to link to your web page. It is a good idea to include some text between the start and end video tags to describe your video file or to let the user know their browser does not support the video tag. Any text you enter will only be displayed if the video element is not supported by their browser. This example shows the video start tag with the width attribute set to 350 pixels. The height attribute set to 260 pixels, and the controls attribute. We have the source element with the source attribute pointed to the location of the video file, the type attribute with video/MP4 as it is an MP4 file, second source element, the source attribute, again pointed to the location of the file, the type attribute, this time with a value of video/WebM, as it's a WebM file, and the embed element with the source attribute pointed to the location of your video, with the same width and height attributes and values as in the video start tag. The text to display if the browser doesn't support this file type, and the video close tag. And your browser will display the video embedded with the controls. And you click and it will start to play.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.